Do you ever struggle to pronounce double letters in Italian? Are you wondering what's the difference between casa and casa? Well, in this video I'm going to reveal to you my little trick to pronounce double letters in Italian, so keep on watching. Hey, this is Elmi Pedata from the languageroots.com, and you are in the right place if you want to connect with the Italian language and culture, to play, creativity and art. So let's start to talk about how to pronounce double letters. Double letters in Italian can be tricky, but they're also so important because just one letter or one double letter can completely change the meaning of a word. As for example, in the embarrassing example of anno and anno, which I talk about in this video right here as well. So how to pronounce these double letters in Italian? Well, the trick is to do something before the double letter. So the difference is not much in the pronunciation of the letter, but in the vowel that precedes the double letter. So when you have a double letter, the vowel that precedes the double letter is normally much shorter. This is why the trick is to sort of hold your breath for a tiny mini seconds, make a pause for a tiny mini seconds before pronouncing the next syllable. Here is what I mean with an example. So you have the word palla, 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 palla. So I make a pause just before the la. Palla. It's kind of a jump. Palla. Another word. Casa, casa. Now I'm obviously exaggerating it because I want to show you. So let's have a look at some words in pairs with double letter and without double letters, which mean different things, so you can see the difference. So I'm going to pronounce these words slowly first, and so you can also hear the pause that I make when the double letter is there. And then I'm going to pronounce them at a normal speed. Let's have a look.
Casa, cassa, pala, palla, pena, penna, capelli, cappelli, mese, messe, anno, anno. Now again at a normal speed. Casa, cassa, pala, palla, pena, penna, capelli, cappelli, mese, messe, anno, anno. And you definitely don't want to get this one wrong.
And now, are you ready for a little quiz? I am going to show you a sentence, and you will need to complete that sentence with two words, one with double letter and one without double letter. Where do they go? Listen to me and type your answer in your comments below. Chris indossa sempre un cappello perché non ha neanche un capello. Pause this video and write your answer in the comments below. If you've done the quiz right, bravissimo or bravissima! And now you may be wondering, hey Ermi, are there any rules that I need to follow to really recognize when a word is written with a double letter and when it's not written with a double letter? Because sometimes it's not so easy to recognize them. Yes, there are a lot of orthographic rules that you can follow, but there are also a lot of exceptions. So, in my opinion, the best thing to do is to start to keep a running list of Italian words with double consonants. And this list is going to be personalized to you. So you are going to keep or write down just the words with double letters that you feel may be more useful to you. And once you have, like, say 10 or even less than 10, 5 words, you can start to learn this word, to write this word in a creative way, such as by writing with these words a little nursery rhyme, a little poem, or a song. Why am I suggesting this? Because this is exactly how children in Italy, including me, learn to write words with double letters when they first start primary school. And normally the teacher gives them a little poem or a nursery rhyme with double letters words, and they need to memorize that one. For example, like this one. La pala è per sparare e la palla è per giocare. Il papa è per pregare e la pappa è per mangiare. Con la penna si scrive, chi è in pena non ride, i pani dal fornaio e i panni dal merciaio. La sera è dopo il mattino e la serra è nel giardino. La rosa ha più di un colore, a volte è rossa ed ha sempre odore. Alle 7 mi levo, se ho sete bevo, 7 note per cantare e la notte per sognare. Nono vieni dopo l'8avo e il mio nonno si chiama Gustavo. Did you like this one? Now you can make your own nursery rhyme or poem with your favorite word with double consonants in Italian. And if you do, please share it in the comments below because I'd love to see it. Or you can just start practicing your pronunciation by using the nursery rhyme I showed you before. And you can find that nursery rhyme, its English translation, plus other similar nursery rhymes on double consonant in the learning sheet from this video that you can download in the description below. And remember the little trick. Always pause for a tiny milliseconds before the double letter, just to give it that stronger sound. I share more Italian pronunciation related tips in any of the videos that will appear in either on my site, and I also have an Italian pronunciation mini course that you can check out in the link in the description below this video. While you are looking for that link in the description below, remember to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to the channel for more Italian related fun stuff. This was Ermi Pedata from thelanguageroots.com, and I'm here to always remind you to have a fun Italian learning. Ciao!